Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with a very different one because our spring break got preponed. So I have been on break and I have been doing things that I didn't do for ages. So there is one such thing which I did. Yay! So I did this painting in my spring break, and don't worry, I took a tutorial of it. It's a very easy painting which anyone can try. So I thought that I would come and help for you guys. So here is this paintings tutorial. Stay tuned and watch this video.
So my mom got this canvas and oil colors, very basic shades from home center, and actually took sponge which we'll be using in this tutorial. And apart from this, there was a set of knife and brushes which came along with the other things, which is again from the home center. I sketched a very basic, like two trees, skeleton, not even trees, two skeleton, which anyone can do. And then I just put on the white color all over. Excuse me, I don't have any palettes as of now, so I'm going to just put the colors directly on the canvas and paint. And it is actually much easier to do it this way. So I had a little bit of tallow blue and grayed them from downwards. So I'm just doing a grade wash with the help of the white color which is already there. It's gonna grade beautifully. You need to have a little bit of patience with oil color, but don't worry, it's really easy to do it this way. You can also use acrylic if you're comfortable with that. For sky, I'm taking ultramarine blue. It just gives a very beautiful cobalt blue like shade fused with white. If you have cobalt blue, you can just go ahead using cobalt blue for sky. So I'm going to use all the colors that are available in my color box because I have to give that spring leaves kind of effect. So if you're having different shades of red, orange, yellow, just use all of them. It just gives a beautiful effect of spring leaves tree. So I wanted to make this painting to be one like anybody can draw. So this using the knife and just smudging up the shades just makes it very easy. At the same time, it gives a very beautiful effect to the whole painting. So I'm using my sponge here, so this is going to be just sponging up the colors that you've already smushed up with the knives. It gives the effect of leaves when viewed from a long distance. After sponging it up one last time, I'm gonna again do it with a knife because I like the effect of knife here and there. It's like the leaves that will be like seen in clarity here and there. So after you sponge the whole thing off, again add on some colors and then just smudge down with the knife. So you know why I never really bothered about those colors which were coming out of its way, because I was going to use them in the reflection. Now I really loved this part of the painting. Now add very tiny amount of black so that it gives that dense effect, and it also separates the land from the river. Now we want to make that reflection really hazy, like how it would look inside the water. So I just do a horizontal stroke of the vertical strokes that I did. To give the effect of the branch, you just have to use the backside end of your brush and draw strokes. You don't have to be an artist who should be doing a perfect branch. It can just be the strokes, because nature doesn't have any like particular shapes, so you can just go on visualizing doing any kind of branch and it will still look beautiful. I decided to add on some more colors, and I'm going to be adding on the colors exactly like how they are in the top, like how would a reflection look. So the red color would go, and then I would just put the yellow strokes in the down, which is like the upper part in the top. So I'm just going on with exactly the same colors that I used up so that it looks like a perfect reflection. It's very easy, guys. You just have to put on the colors and pull them down in a vertical stroke. You don't have to be an artist to be doing this. It's something like everyone can do. It's very easy. Whatever you do, it's gonna look beautiful. I'm just gonna do the horizontal strokes of hazing the colors which I already put up, and you'll be surprised to see that how it beautifully looks like a reflection. Isn't that easy? Now I'm just taking some white and put them in line so that it looks like water, giving a little bit of an effect of water. You can stop at this stage and let it be how it looks already. I just wanted to make it even more perfect, so I was actually trying this out, and let's see how it comes.
So I hope you guys had fun learning how to paint this one. It's a super duper easy one, but keep in mind that I used oil colors, so oil colors will take time for it to dry. So this was done 3 days ago. It took like 3 to 4 days. I think it's been 4 days now, yeah. So it's been 4 days since this got dried. So until then, don't try to touch them, then your masterpiece will be ruined. So keep this in mind, and I really hope this was a very easy one. Drop down in comment section if you would like to see more such tutorials. I'll be more than happy to help you guys with that. Until then, take care, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and press that like button. And if you think that this is going to be useful for someone that you know, please do share my video to them. Until then, bye bye.